Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nurul Anis Farhana from UiTM Jasing, Melaka. Just call me Anis for short. Today, I'll be presenting about photosynthesis. Let's go. As a human being, we need some basic things such as food to survive. Well, same goes to animals. But what about the plants? How does plants make food? Does plants need food? This is why I'm going to talk about photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis can be defined as a process which green plants and some specific types of other organisms is transform the light energy into chemical energy. During the photosynthesis, the process requires sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to convert into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. Why is photosynthesis so important? Well, first of all, photosynthesis is the main source of oxygen. As I said before, plants provide oxygen through photosynthesis as they convert carbon dioxide into that. This is essential for life. Plus, photosynthesis provides food for all. That's right. Without photosynthesis, we can't survive. Our food sources come from plants. Other than that, photosynthesis helps to develop the plant's growth. This is where the plants make their own food, since the sunlight is their main source of photosynthesis. Okay, so there are two types of photosynthesis. There are light reaction and Calvin cycle. So here we got light reaction. In this reaction, the energy from the sunlight is absorbed by the pigment chlorophyll. It's converted into chemical energy in the form of electron charge carrier molecules such as NADPH and ATP. The chemiosmosis makes the ATP from the ADP, which this process is called as photophosphorylation. At the end of the process, the products will be oxygen and energy. And now here we have Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle is a process that plants and algae use to turn carbon dioxide from the air into sugar or called as glucose. This process has another name such as dark reaction and light independent reaction. So the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere will enter the chloroplast and make the carbon fixation. However, this process needs ATP from the light reaction. At the end of the process, the product will be glucose. Now we'll be going to the factors of photosynthesis. One factor of photosynthesis is light. That means more light, more photosynthesis. The most effective lights are red and blue. However, some plants adapt with different light levels by modifying their new growth to suit the new environment. Other than that, we have temperature. Did you know the optimal temperature for the photosynthesis is between 20 to 35 Celsius? If the temperature is above 40 Celsius, the enzyme will be denatured. And this will make the substrate unable to feed into the enzyme. We have carbon dioxide concentration. The carbon dioxide concentration has something to do with the photosynthesis, with the presence of optimum light and temperature. If the carbon dioxide concentration is below 0.03%, the rate of photosynthesis will increase. That means more concentration of carbon dioxide, more photosynthesis. However, the efficiency of the carbon dioxide only limited up to 1.0%. If it's higher than that, the rate will be decreased. As the rate of photosynthesis will be decreased as the concentration of oxygen is high. So that means the lower concentration of oxygen, the more photosynthesis will happen. This is because oxygen and carbon dioxide are competing with each other to locate the active site of the enzyme. Last, we have chlorophyll concentration. If there are more chlorophylls, there will be more photosynthesis. Even so, when the plants are infected, the number of chlorophyll will be reduced. This will cause the leaf turn into yellowish as the rate of photosynthesis is reduced. Now, there are some creatures that can perform photosynthesis like plants. One of them is salamander. The spotted salamander is solar powered and the first and only vertebrate for being photostatic. This creature have a symbiotic with alga as the embryo of the salamander have alga in it. Now we have sea slug. This slug is able to steal chloroplast from alga. It able to change the inside of the stolen chloroplast. The more chloroplast it has, the more resistant to damage. Okay, lastly, we have alga. Everyone knows that alga can perform photostasis. Alga able to pull in organic carbon out of environment. So in conclusion, photostasis is important for all beings. Without photostasis, organisms will die due to no oxygen and food. So, thank you for watching my presentation. Bye.